Denali down south here. Good morning, evening, afternoon, middle of the night, whenever you're watching this. Who cares? As long as you're watching, that's cool. So you can see I got my little Hidden Woodsman, not little, but my Hidden Woodsman Deep Woods Ruck on a frame there. That's the big one. And today we're going to be looking at the Condor Mini Duku. I love this knife, just the shape. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to be cheating and looking at the specs on the computer here. But the video, if it seems a little confusing because it's jumping around locations and haircuts and stuff, that's because I was using this over many months and never did a all-at-once review of it. Typically, it's like, that's how I like to do it. It's just everything at one time, but just life and just made me do it in little spurts here and there. But anyway, blade length on this is 10.5 inches, overall 16.75. 4.5 millimeter blade thickness. Handle material just says hardwood. It's 1075. Designed by Joe Flowers, 1.48 pounds. It doesn't feel that hefty when you have it in your hands, but it feels pretty good. Made in El Salvador, and the leather sheath got the classic Condor quality for the leather sheath. You know, I've always dug this knife. So this is the 1075 carbon steel version. I also have the stainless steel version as well, but I'm not going to do a review on that at this time. We'll see when we do it. Anyway, Joe Flowers did a great job on this. This sexy wire wrap on the handle there. The only thing I don't like about this is the wood. Expands and contracts with the humidity, so sometimes you can either feel the tang or you can feel these rivets here. But other than that, I mean, so far I'm loving it. But let's look at the footage and then we'll come back to final thoughts. Alright, so we have Condor, and we got overgrowth on this trail, so I'll be clearing it a little bit just to see how sharp these are. Well, okay, that one's not an easy one. Dang. Oh, come on. Ouch. The Condor Mini Duku Parang, surprisingly well chopper. Well, good, a good chopper. Okay at machete work. Okay at fine detail. Better than I thought it was going to be. Okay at food prep. Good at throwing sparks too, which was a surprise. So, yeah, I like it. So that's it for that blade. Thank you again for joining me. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Join me for more videos in the future, and remember, get outside and enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.